Okay guys, maayong gabi mga paglaom. We're gonna go in the waterfall. Oh my gosh, the water wants to sumbagay me. Look at this. This is called a foot mask. We're getting, you know, luxury. You don't get this kind of luxury. I own my own spa. Yeah, because I'm an influencer. You see? Help me, Lord, help me! Oh my God! Oh, it's so cold. I don't like it. I don't like it. Balik na. Okay, guys. So I almost died because you know this water is so very bugnaw. Tugnaw, I don't know what have you, whatever you call that one. Anyways, it's malamig. It's being disrespectful to me. I'm just trying to walk to check on my plants. Look at my children. My plants, you see they're growing very slowly because we're in a drought. Welcome to the Philippines. This is, what do you mean this is not Philippines? Over there I saw the Nestle Road, Nestle Milk, okay? It's the Philippines. My gosh, guys. Look at the beautiful water. Beautiful tubig of water. You see, we got a giant ice candy, ice water here. Yeah, that's what piso each hole. Tag piso. Make it 5 because this is my land and I'm very profitable. I have a lot of money. You want a money? How much you want? Me too. Give it to me.